Is it legal to speed to pass another vehicle? Stay tuned and learn more. All right, guys, and like I said in the intro, today we were talking about a common question that I get, which is it legal to speed to pass another vehicle in Washington State? And so we routinely get calls on this, and people unfortunately have the wrong information about what is actually legal in Washington State. So basically, obviously, always need to start with the statute, and the statute in particular here is RCW 46.61.425. And that statute says that you can speed to pass a slower moving vehicle if the following two things are present. The first one is that you are following someone that is driving below the speed limit. So that's key. The person in front of you has to be going below the speed limit. The second one, which is a lot of people get confused, is that you are on a two-lane road with each lane traveling in opposite directions. So if you meet those two requirements, then you can briefly exceed the speed limit at a speed and distance only necessary to pass with safety. So they don't really define what that actually is. But yes, essentially you can speed to pass another vehicle, but only when you're on a two-lane road and the car you are passing is driving below the speed limit. So for example, you come upon somebody on two-lane road, each one's going opposite directions, that person is going 45 miles per hour in a 60, then you could pass that person, and you can legally speed to pass that person. So even if it's legal, you can't speed or can't pass in the following situations. The first one is that you're basically going over a solid or double yellow line that indicates a no passing zone. Number two would be if there's a no passing sign on the roadway. Number three is a vehicle is already going close to or above the speed limit. Number four would be you don't have enough time to pass the vehicle in front of you and safely return to your lane before reaching a no passing zone. Number five is you don't have enough time to pass the vehicle in front of you and safely return to your lane before basically you get oncoming traffic and you can't get back over within 200 feet of the vehicle that would be approaching you from the opposite direction of the lane that you're using. Number six is you are approaching a curve or top of a hill and you're unable to see oncoming traffic from enough distance to assess if they may reach you during the passing. Number seven is that you are within 100 feet of a bridge or railroad crossing. And number eight would be that you are behind a school bus that is either loading or unloading children. So kind of summing everything up today, yes, you can speed to pass a vehicle, but that vehicle has to be going under the speed limit, and it's only allowed on a two-lane road. Okay, so a lot of people think that I get calls saying, hey, I was speeding to pass, but unless you're on a two-lane road and that car in front of you was going under the speed limit, it's not going to be a valid justification in Washington State. So if you have questions or if you got a ticket, give us a call. We do serve Greater Puget Sound. Would love to help you out with it, keep it off your record. So feel free to reach out to us. Number is 253-201-2001, or find us online at MrTicketFixer.com.